ครับกระแทกแย่เข้ามาครับบัวเงินเฉาฟันโอ้ยศอกซ้ายนะครับย้อนไปครับทางด้านเจ้าต้องตาเนี่ยเป็นลูกศิษย์โอ้ยแม่ศอกขวาครับทิ้งไปก่อนครับทางด้านต้องตาแล้วปังเข้าไปครับศอกขวาถึงกับวูบเลยครับ
This video is not only going to show you how to utilize the elbows, we're going to show you how to use the proper Muay Thai hand control. The first thing that you want to focus on when it comes to landing good elbows is the hand control. And when it comes to learning the hand control, the first thing you want to focus on is showing your palms. When I say showing my palms, exactly like it is. We're going to make this very simple for you. These are my palms. You're going to show my palms. So but instead of having your guard here, you're going to show your palms. So it looks like this. Up. Good. He still has his boxing guard, which is perfect. And I have my palms. I'm showing my palms. And from here, simply with the hand control, it's very easy. You want to make sure that it's strong, valiente, musculos, bang, strong grab, all right? After you grab, you can kind of use it like a fulcrum. Right? I have a strong grab, I pull it like a fulcrum, and I, boom. That's the first step with hand control. Showing the palms, grabbing strong, either side, doesn't matter which side you grab, and from there, you pull down and you elbow. Bop, no matter which side you go. Pull down, I'm protecting myself, and I'm elbowing. Other side, he has a boxer's guard. I'm grabbing his hand. Just that quick, I pulled it. Hand control, elbow there. Remember, palms open, you have a good distance, and you just don't reach for it. When I say reach for it, I mean like grabbing, because now you punching, right? Boom, boom, yeah, don't want to do that. You want to use precise, methodical steps. When you're closing the distance, look, bam, there, I already have him. You already did, sure. So you step to the side, watch what I do, bam, you stepping back, see, I'm here, I'm not reaching, I haven't even reached out yet. Oh, I may be touching, okay, good, I'm touching, he hasn't moved back, now I can get him. Boom, again, touching, good, now I can get him. Boom, that's the first step. That's how you do proper Muay Thai hand control. Palms up, strong grip, controlling the distance, and when you get it, you pull. Boom! One movement, pull. Don't forget the feet, because we talked about this earlier, but let me reiterate. When you go forward with the elbow or hand control in general, you don't want to step on the line, that proverbial line we always talk about. Let's say that I grab and I don't want to elbow, I want a knee. I'm not going to step on this center line, because if you do, boop, sweep, whoop, just like that. Or if I try to elbow, and I step on the center line, whoop, now look, whoop. All right, so much can happen to you. So every time you step forward with that good hand control, make sure that you're stepping outside of that proverbial center line. That way you don't lose your advantage. All right, so now that we have those basics out the way of hand control, let's give them the kit and caboodle, the whole shaboing boing. We're gonna show you 3 types of elbow: the up elbow, the side elbow, and the down elbow. Remember, each elbow can be used for different situations. To make your opponent drunk, side elbow. Boom. To knock your opponent out, up elbow. It's boom. To give them a cut, down elbow. Boom. We're going to show you how to do all 3. Very simple. The first one that we want you to learn, the easiest one in my opinion, is the side elbow. Step forward, keep his opposite hand up, side elbow. Pop. Very good. When you do your elbow, it's called an elbow for a reason. It's an elbow, not a forearm. When you're doing this movement, be careful not to hit the pad like that. So many people do that. It's an elbow, not a forearm. You want to give it that bone. El hueso. Ahora. Rear elbow, stepping forward, protecting himself on the opposite end, and you're going to give them the bone. Yap, there you go. Yap, there you go. Good. Chin down every time. Wow, there we go. You don't want to have the chin up, because this is a very close range move. If I step in here with this chin up, and that's what happened to miss, oh man, up elbow, down elbow, sweet, so much can happen. So you want to be protected. This is a close range move. So think 2 steps ahead of him. Again, there we go. Elbow. Now let's go side elbow with the front. There we go. Very good. Notice his feet didn't step on that line. If he did, boop, sweep central. Side. Whop. Side. Side. Very good. You notice every time he's throwing, he's keeping the opposite hand up, and he's protecting himself, protecting his chin, protecting his temple, right? So make sure you do the same thing. Now let's give him the up elbow, Tito. With the up elbow, personally, I don't really like too much going up, because the area is a smaller target. And like you said, you're getting close range. You don't want to risk missing that elbow. So when you do it, it's here, here. And the goal is to put this Even though it might sound a little bit graphic, I want to put all of this from here to here. I want to put that in his nasal cavity. Bang! It's their fault for messing with you. It's their fault for getting to the ring with you. So when you're doing this movement, you don't want to chin up. No. You don't want to drop the opposite hand. You don't want to step in the middle. And you don't want to straight up. Simple. Here, smash this in his face. Bang! Chin down. Bang! Just like that. Bang! You ready? Hands up. Up. Good. Rear elbow. Bop. Up. Up. Good. Up. Up. That's how you do it. Stepping forward with the front, pushing off from the back. Again. Up. That's it. Feet under you. Up. There we go. Again. Up. Opposite hand up every time he throws. Watch this hand stay up. That's what you're going to do to make sure that you're protected. Up. All right. Very good. Last but certainly not least, we're going with the cut elbow, the downward elbow. Very simple. Just like it sounds. Downward elbow. This is my elbow, and I'm slicing down. Wow, that's the key. Then I go back to my guard. Look at my back foot, guys. The back foot isn't coming together. I'm not lunging and reaching for it. Just like a good golf swing. If I'm not taking hand control, if you're not going to take hand control, you're still going to measure your distance with your lead hand. And there we go. Got him. Wow, just like that. Bam. Simple. Step, cut. Bam. Step, cut. Bam. Good balanced feet. That way, if you do miss, at least you won't be off balance and you can grab your opponent and you can start over. Make sure that you're balanced all the time because this is a high risk, high reward movement. We're going to show them the cut elbow, Tito. Are you ready? Cut. Bam. Beautiful. When you do this, gang, I want you to visualize that you're cutting down through your partner's guard. This is what I mean. Visualize, Tito. All right, don't hit me too hard. Show some love. But visualize that we're fighting and you cut right through the guard. Wham! That's how you're going to do it. You see, it went straight through the guard. My guard is open, all right? And you're going to cut right through it. Bam! Ooh. Poblacy. Let's give it to him real quick, and then we're going to give you some combinations. Cut. Up. Good. Punch. Up. Up. Ooh. Ooh. Up. Chin down. Up. Up. There you go. Now that we showed you the basic principles of all three fundamental elbows, we're going to give you some proper setups to use them. Are you ready, Tito?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give him one, and then you can give him one. How's that sound?
Yes.
My man, Red. The key to this one is surprise. You're relaxed. We talked about the movement in our last video. Go check it out if you haven't seen it. We talked about movement, stutter. This is what you're going to do. Stutter, stutter, fake. Stutter, stutter, fake. They think another stutter is coming, but this time I tie hop, surprising them quickly. Whoop, grab, bang, elbow. Stutter, stutter, tie hop, pull elbow. Pop, move, pop, move, step. There we go. Boom. I'm a nice guy.
My combination.
So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's going to give you our full playlist that we know that you're going to enjoy.